Welcome to Copernicus AI, Frontiers of Science. I'm Sam, and today we're diving deep into a topic that's fundamentally reshaping our understanding of life itself: AI in biology. Bryan, what makes the current advancements in this field so revolutionary, truly a delta change in thinking?
Thanks, Sam. It's a seismic shift, really. For decades, predicting the 3D structure of a protein from its amino acid sequence was one of biology's grand challenges, often called the protein folding problem. This was a painstaking, experimental process, but now, with deep learning models, particularly AlphaFold2, that paradigm has been utterly transformed. We're seeing unprecedented accuracy and speed.
So AlphaFold2 is the centerpiece here. Can you elaborate on a specific breakthrough that highlights this revolutionary capability?
Absolutely. A fantastic example comes from the work by Stephen A. Reddy, Caitlin V. Campbell, Asim K. Bera, and their colleagues. In their recent publication, Cyclic Peptide Structure Prediction and Design using AlphaFold2, which we'll link in the description, they demonstrate how AlphaFold2 isn't just predicting protein structures, but is being adapted for the design of small cyclic peptides. This is critical because cyclic peptides are incredibly promising therapeutic agents, but their design has been historically challenging due to their conformational flexibility and the lack of large training data sets for traditional deep learning methods.
That's fascinating. So we're not just predicting what exists, but designing new biological molecules with AI. What are the broader implications of being able to accurately predict and design these complex molecular structures, especially when we think about applications?
The implications are monumental, Sam. Think about drug discovery. Traditionally, this is a long, expensive, and often serendipitous process. With AI like AlphaFold2, we can rapidly screen potential drug candidates, understand their interactions with targets, and even design novel molecules with specific functions. This accelerates the entire pipeline from basic research to clinical application. It's a leap forward in understanding fundamental molecular biology, as M.F. Perrotts articulated decades ago regarding its relevance to medicine. Now, AI provides the tools to fully realize that relevance at scale.
So AI is effectively empowering us to engineer biology in ways we couldn't before. How does this connect to other critical areas of biological research, like cancer therapy, where there's such a desperate need for new approaches?
Precisely. Cancer research, for instance, has always sought a more thorough understanding and testing of rationally targeted agents, as highlighted by W. Kimran Rathmel, Paul A. Godley, and Bryan Fruerini in their work on renal cell carcinoma. The ability of AlphaFold2 to predict the structures of proteins, including those involved in cancer pathways, or even design peptides that can disrupt those pathways, opens up entirely new avenues. We can envision AI-designed cyclic peptides that specifically target cancer cells, or modulate immune responses.
That sounds like a powerful intersection. Are we seeing AI beginning to connect these seemingly disparate biological insights? For example, moving from understanding a specific protein structure to developing a new cancer therapy?
Absolutely. It's about bridging the gap. Take the insights from L. Munaron's work on the systems biology of ion channels and transporters in tumor angiogenesis, an omics view. Understanding the complex network of molecules driving tumor growth requires integrating vast amounts of omics data. AI is uniquely suited to find patterns and actionable insights in this complexity, something traditional methods struggle with. When we combine that with the precision of AI-driven drug design, we move towards truly targeted therapies. It's a multi-scale attack, from molecular structure to systems-level understanding.
So we're not just looking at a single protein, but how it interacts within the entire biological system, and AI is providing the computational power to make sense of that complexity for therapeutic advantage.
Exactly. And this extends to areas like immunotherapy, which has transformed cancer treatment. Understanding immunoregulatory T-cell pathways, as studied by D.R. Green, P.M. Flood, and R.K. Gershon is incredibly intricate. AI can model these pathways, predict how therapeutic interventions might alter immune responses, and even design molecules, like those cyclic peptides, to fine-tune these delicate systems. It's taking the foundational insights in cancer biology, like those championed by John Mendelssohn's journey in cancer biology and therapy, and giving us the tools to act upon them with unprecedented precision.
This isn't just incremental improvement, it's genuinely a different way of doing science. What does this mean for the future of biology and medicine, particularly for curious minds and investors looking for the next big shift?
It signifies a future where the pace of discovery accelerates dramatically. For researchers, it means new hypotheses can be tested computationally before ever stepping into a wet lab, reducing time and cost. For patients, it holds the promise of faster, more effective, and highly personalized treatments, especially for complex diseases like various cancers, including breast cancer, where G.W. Sledge noted decades ago that improved biology should lead to better therapy. AI is now delivering on that promise. For investors, it points to immense opportunities in AI-driven biotech, drug discovery platforms, and personalized medicine. The new biology is being written by AI, and its chapters are unfolding rapidly.
Bryan, this has been an incredibly insightful discussion, highlighting how AI, exemplified by AlphaFold2, isn't just a tool, but a transformative force in biology. Thank you for breaking down this groundbreaking research and its revolutionary implications for how we understand and interact with life.
My pleasure, Sam. It's an exciting time to be in science. Word count check. 880 words meets minimum requirement.